As you know, Galaxy Watches are wearable devices with numerous advanced features tailored to make your day-to-day tasks easy and efficient. But most users only utilize or know about the basic stuff. So in today's video, I'll show you some cool things that you can do using your Galaxy Watch. Whether you are a casual user or a tech geek, watch this video and you might discover something new. First up is the temperature sensor. All Galaxy Watches since the Galaxy Watch 5 comes with an infrared temperature sensor for measuring your skin temperature during sleep. However, by default the temperature sensor is limited to measuring your skin temperature, and that too only during sleep. But with this trick, you can utilize the temperature sensor of your Galaxy Watch to measure the temperature of anything in your surroundings. Just go to the Play Store on your watch and install the ThermoCheck app. Using this app, you can measure the temperature of almost anything without even touching it. Select one time to take a measurement, and if you want to monitor temperature continuously, then select multi-time. It would have been nice if Samsung had included this type of app or feature built in. But as of now, this is the only way to freely use your Galaxy Watch's temperature sensor. Galaxy Watches are equipped with various sensors that tracks the watch's movement, enabling features like step tracking and fall detection. Additionally, these sensors allow the watch to support quick gestures, letting you perform certain actions hands-free. Just go to Settings, open Advanced Features, and scroll down to Gestures. There are 3 of them: Answer Calls, Dismiss Alerts, and Quick Launch. After activating the gestures, you can answer calls by doing this. You can dismiss alerts and calls by doing this, and you can launch any app of your choice or access a feature by doing this. Like, I've set it to launch the music player since I frequently listen to music throughout the day. And that brings us to the next point: storing music directly on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Yes, you can store music files directly on your Galaxy Watch so that you can enjoy your favorite songs without requiring an internet connection. To do that, just head over to the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone, go to Watch Settings and select Manage Content. Now tap on Tracks on Watch. Press this tiny Add button and simply select the soundtracks you want to add to your watch for offline listening. What's great is that you can play these tracks through a connected Bluetooth audio device or directly from the watch's speaker. I personally like to listen music during my workout. You know what else I like? Getting relevant information in just a glance during my workouts. Did you know that you can actually customize the workout data screen of your Galaxy Watch? Doing so will allow you to access the relevant information in just a glance. By default, the Galaxy Watch just shows a basic set of information that might not be useful for everyone. And in that case, customizing the workout data screen can come in handy. You can edit the workout data screen by going to the workout settings and tapping on the workout screen. Here, you can edit the layout of the data screen and the information that you want to display. As you can see, I can replace any unnecessary data with the one I find most relevant to me. Apart from the data screen, you can also customize the side buttons of your Galaxy Watch to perform the functions that you find most useful. By default, pressing and holding the power button activates Bixby, and doing the same on the back button opens up Samsung Pay. You can easily change it. Just go to Advanced Features, tap on Customize buttons, and select the action that you want to customize. From here, you can also set Press and Hold action to launch Google Assistant instead of Bixby. Another cool feature to use is the Vibration Watch. After turning it on, your Galaxy Watch will tell you the time using vibrations. To do that, go to Settings, open Accessibility, and tap on Advanced Settings. Now scroll down and you'll find Vibration Watch. Tap on it and turn it on. To know the time, just tap 2 fingers on the display and it will vibrate the number of hours it is. To know the minutes, tap 2 fingers twice. This feature is useful when you cannot look at the display or read it. It is also a very beneficial feature for users who have poor eyesight. Lastly, the charging. Galaxy Watches come with a Type-C wireless charging cable. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you don't have access to a Type-C adapter, then you can use your smartphone as a Type-C adapter to charge your Galaxy Watch. And even if you don't have the charging cable, you can still charge your Galaxy Watch like this using a smartphone that supports wireless charging. However, this feature is not available on the latest Galaxy Watch 7. But besides that, it works with every other Galaxy Watch, be it Galaxy Watch 4, 5 or 6. And that wraps up today's video. As you can see, Galaxy Watch is packed with features that go beyond the basics. Whether you're looking to customize your workout, control your music, or use the temperature sensor in creative ways, there's always something new to explore. I hope you find these tips useful and maybe even learned something new that can make your Galaxy Watch experience even better. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.